We're the same. Graduate ng K-12, masigasig sa mga pangarap at matatag sa mga pagsubok.
This point of the academic year signifies the culmination of hard work, dedication, and commitment in the relentless pursuit of knowledge.
Knowledge that will enable a person to embrace opportunities and take risks with clear vision and purpose.
Final start, may I request everyone to rise for we will ask the Lord's presence and guidance through doxology prepared by selected kindergarten pupils.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, Mariel Ann B. Labrador, Kindergarten Pupil, conducting.
to our school district supervisor, Mr. Lowell I. Pisinio, to our principal, Mr. Domingo Ibolalin, to our guests, our dear teachers, parents, classmates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am so happy that for a limited time we get to know our teachers and classmates face to face. How nice would it be if we learn together in school everything, but the pandemic can stop us from learning. We learn a lot in kindergarten. How fast the year did go, and soon we'll be off to square one happily. On behalf of the kindergarten class, it is with great joy and pride that I welcome you to the first big milestone in our young life, the kindergarten moving up ceremony. Do celebrate this day with us. Thank you very much.
Very supportive school principal, Mr. Domingo N. Bulalin. As grade level chairman, I have the honor to present to you 17 male and 87 female. Tanda po, a total of 157 candidates for moving up who satisfactorily completed the requirements for the K-12 program prescribed by the Department of Education, Bureau of Public Elementary Education Division, this school year 2021-2022. Sir, for your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Department of Education through the school's division superintendent for Camarines Sur, Dr. Loida N. Nedea, and upon the recommendation of Kinder Grade Level Chairman, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements for K-12 basic education program prescribed by the Department of Education, Bureau of Elementary Education Division. I do hereby confirm you completers this school year 21-2022. Congratulations.
Garasina John Richard B. Star Reader Award, Budding Scientist Award, and Sporty Kid Award.
Saan pala nag-eskwela ay ni Ate Cheryl? Saan pala nag-eskwela ay ni Ate Cheryl?
Congratulations, Kinder, Yellow, completers under the advisory of Mount Lawrence B. Velasquez.
Let us come now to the Kinder Red Male under the advisory of Ma'am Emmy Rose A. Alice. Kinder Red, pila na po tayo. A
Domingo and Bulali, sa aming mga mabait na mga teachers, Ma'am Florence, Ma'am Selvi at Ma'am Emmy, sa aming mga magulang, sa aming mga bisita, nandito ngayon. Sa akin na po magtatapos sa kindergarten. Magandang umaga po. Masaya po kami ngayon sa loob sa isang taon sa kindergarten. Sa wakas po, magtatapos na po kami. Sa aming mga magulang, laging kami kinagaan at nagpapaaral sa amin. Puso po ang aming pasasalamat. Mama, Papa, Ina, Ama, Nanay, Tatay, mahal po namin kayo. Ang aming tagumpay ay tagumpay niyo rin po. At ito lang po ang simula sa aming pangalawang magulang, ang aming guro, sa aming maraming kahit niyo kami magbasa, magbilang, at bawak ng lapis, tulad at subaya. Kahit po sa gabay, simulang kalaki. Aming mga magulang at guro na nakulubog at kumabay. Sa amin, maraming salamat po.
life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate, it's pretty cool. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.